Hey everyone, today I'm excited to review the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This compact and powerful cleaner has been a game changer for our family. We purchased this item because we needed a reliable solution for tackling tough stains and spills on our carpets and upholstery. Seeing we got kids and pets, messes are a common practice in our family, and I wanted something that could keep my home looking fresh and clean without a hassle. I'm going to demonstrate how to use this little green machine, so watch till the end. We've been using this little green machine for around 3 years now, and it's become our go-to tool for quick cleanups. I like to use this clean for spot cleanups, removing stains from my couch, and even freshening up my car's upholstery. So some of the standout features of this little powerhouse include its compact design. As you can see, it's quite small and it's easy to carry around with you, and it's quite light as well. It's got a dual tank system, so as you can see, you've got a tank this side and a tank this side. So the one on the right here is for the dirty water, grey water, and the one on the left is the one that you fill up with a carpet cleaner solution with water. So with this dual tank system, it has separate clean and dirty water tanks, each holding up to about 48 ounces, so you can clean for longer without frequent refills. And it's got a powerful suction, we've noticed. So with 3 amps of power, it effectively lifts dirts and stains, leaving your surfaces cleaner and fresher. And it's got included tools. So it comes with a spray and suction tool for targeting cleaning, a stain brush for scrubbing, and a suction tool for targeted cleaning, and a hydro rinse tool to clean the hose after use, ensuring it's always ready for the next job. It's also got a long reach of the power cord, so as you can see, the power cord extends all the way behind the couch here, an extension cord, and you can cover large areas without constantly switching outlets. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill up the water tank here and put this to the test. Alright, so I've got the water tank here, and it's got levels here, so if you can see there, that's where the formula goes up to that line, and the water goes up to that line when you fill this up. Alright, as you can see, I've got the formula in, so now I'm just going to add the water up to that next line. Alright, filled it up to that line there, or close enough. It will leave a little bit of foam depending what formula you're using. So now I'm going to put this back in the little green machine and get us to show what it's made of. Alright, we're back at the little green machine. Now to pop this on, you just got to simply slide it to that place there, like so. So that's all you need to do. And obviously make sure this tank is empty. That's where your grey water goes after cleaning. Alright, for the test, I'm going to use tomato sauce. My wife is going to kill me for this, but let's go anyway. I'm going to pop some tomato sauce on the carpet here. Give it a smudge. Now let's see this little green machine do its magic. Alright, before we start, you need to press this button, and this sprays on the solution here. And then once it's on, this will automatically suck up at the same time. Give it a spray. Alright, as you can see, it pulled out the tomato sauce, no worries. And now it's in there. And once you're done cleaning with it, you just pretty much lift up this lid, pull this out, and just dump that down. Alright, in summary, this little green cleaner is a fantastic addition to any household. It's powerful, easy to use, as you just seen, and incredibly effective at keeping your carpets and upholstery looking their best. Whether you have kids, pets, or just the frequent spills, this cleaner is a reliable solution. I highly recommend it.